Today's Daily Viewpoint, is there such a thing as luck? What do you think, you guys? Is there such a thing as luck?
Is there luck? I have no clue.
I think there is.
We had a woman on this morning named Alexis Rice who kind of did a study on luck. And luck, I do believe there is such a thing as luck, but I don't necessarily believe it's always random. I think you can create your own luck. I think you do it with positive outlook. I think you have bad luck if you're negative, if you complain all the time, if you don't have gratitude in your life, if you're not thinking of others. I think that attracts no luck at all. But I think if you are positive, if you see yourself doing something, if you visualize it, if you have a faith that it will happen, then one day you wake up and it is happening.
Isn't that the same as what comes around goes around? I mean, I just
Sorta,
figure
yeah.
if you're
It's
good
like
to people,
karma.
you're gonna, yeah, like karma, if you're good to people.
Right, and luck, when we say luck, we mean good things. We don't mean bad things.
That's right.
And so this has changed the word luck to just good things happening to you.
Good things happening to you.
What goes around, good things come back to you.
back.
You're good to people, they'll be good to you, for the most part.
I have a son-in-law who's been in the horse betting, gambling business, and put himself through school with it. It isn't luck. It's statistics, it's software, it's knowing the background of all the horses, all the riders, statistically basing your bet on that. He never just goes in and places a bet on it.
Okay, but that's kind of different, isn't it?
Well, but it's intellectual, it's analytical, and so consequently, he wins all the time, but he doesn't make stupid bets.
He studies the system.
Okay, but what
System.
do you say to people who say, you know, gosh, I'm such a good person all the time, I'm helpful, I give you advice, and they still have lousy luck?
Okay, but wait a minute.
Give me your philosophy on that one.
The philosophy on that one is they think that some luck out there is going to make their life better. And if they look at their own life and see how good it is and look at the positive side of their life, then they're not wishing for something to come in and make them a billionaire or whatever.
Yeah, I'm not sure luck is waiting for things to happen to you
I don't
all the
either.
time. If you're waiting for it to happen,
It's not going to happen.
Pretty much
and you know
not.
what is funny? You go, like, you get a job, you do a movie, and you think, oh, and everybody see it. Now I'm going to really get big. I do a speech, and it's a big crowd, and I think, oh, now I'm going to really take off. And nothing ever happens.
Right.
But when you go to a little crowd of 7 people or in a retirement home or something, somebody has a tape that they saw years and years ago, or somebody does something,
true.
and here it comes to you.
Yeah.
So true.
Yeah.
I think we create our own positive journeys.
We do. I think that's
Yeah.
a good way to put it.
I agree. So we think luck is not necessarily going to just happen to you because you're in the right place at the right time.
And sometimes luck is grace.
I don't know. Is luck when you hit the lottery and you had no rhyme or reason?
That's right.
I
Yeah.
don't know. Some people think luck is all really God's doing.
Yeah. Yeah,
And then
that
there's
too.
the others that think luck
I'm
is
going
luck.
to stick with that one.
Yeah, are you?
Yeah, because then if I don't get it, I think it wasn't meant to be, so I'm not sorry.
I also realize that no matter how nice I am, I might not win the lottery. It's okay. It's okay.
But you don't need the lottery because it'd just mess up your life.
I don't think so. I think I'd do very well as a lottery winner. But, you know, once again, you have to buy a lottery ticket to actually win. So that
And you're so cheap.
pretty much leaves. It's not an issue of cheap. It's just an
Are
issue
you that
of
cheap?
no. The numbers suck.
Okay, we just went from luck to cheap.
The numbers are bad. I'm not
It's up
cheap.
to you, Rebecca.
I'm a big tipper, by the way. I'm a very
All
big
right,
tipper.
guys. I feel lucky today because
Yeah.
I'm with you guys,
Yeah,
right?
that's true.
All
Yeah,
right.
I think it's good.
Next, the Texas Daily, a closer look at the missing Malaysia Airlines flight. Plus, we'll talk to a pilot